Hello, Georgi Romanic here. Today we are going to do an experiment that demonstrates the concept of effusion. You remember in effusion we said that lighter gases will escape faster a container than heavier gases. Here we have a balloon filled with helium, and here is a balloon filled with regular air. Helium is much lighter than air, which means when I release these two gases, helium balloon will deflate faster than the air balloon. And that was also the concept of the Graham's law of effusion, you will remember. So let's do it. Did you see that? That's physics 101. Because the experiment was so great, we'll do it one more time. Once more, helium, air, same room temperature, same size, but this is much lighter gas, so it will effuse much faster than air. Let's do the experiment once more. 3, 4, sad. Huh? Very good.